Yo banange mwebale mirimo zokuva obutonga dada nkobera yo bwacha bazinga bwaife wanono nakula nepisa kyo bobonana musa afumbu weise bantu kabulo okuna kobono waife kyabazinga omulala ono ziryamirie atalya nkoko buli lwasituka abayo yante kina mungu omusoga ng'oligali mwena mungu omusoga ng'oligali Moga mungo omusoga ng'oligali banange lero lwaisanu lero lwakina lero kangunwe lero katubirie kubanga baba asima banange baba tweta ichabazingo wenono Banangazena nandese mwene chalo kulembera tujeyo chabazingo wenkabi omusoga ko bati kisikibi kifanana mwene cyo ndi musoga tokobo nandogero olusoga anti ndwemba naluomya
banange abasoga mwena muliyo Ise bantu sebo baba ikisegese kitalibwa nsoro mweni bwa mwiko obutatya byocha baba kalera bana tusimye okuboneka nti obasimye obonekere kwa abasoga ngaatera otandikire kubasomesa mu busoga muno mwona okuva bawakondola ediguli eya university mu university edisinga yo munsi muno mwona banange twekubire ku mungalo baba ndikusaba I will use English because of the guests that you have today, and I want to honor your majesty for everything that you have done to make this day happen here. We are here, Your Majesty, because you wished that teachers come and engage with you about the subject matter of teenage pregnancy. Baba ndikusaba nemerere ku lero muguru gunuma. Baba kunsinze, I want to take this singular honor to welcome on behalf of my office, which is the Ministry of Chabazinga Affairs, to welcome you, Dr. Robin Nandi, the country representative of UNICEF, and your team. It is not my day to make a big speech, but I just wanted to give a background to the presentations that you are seeing here. Mr. Nandi, when His Majesty took on the role of fighting teenage pregnancy, he guided that we should be looking at the drivers, and one of them ideally is that of school dropouts. On 23rd, that was last Friday, His Majesty was still abroad. He wrote a very heartfelt letter to the children of Busoga and beyond. I am sure Dr. Esther has that letter. And that letter is what is culminating into what we are seeing here today. He asked the children to, in their own way, tell him what it is that is causing teenage pregnancy. And I hope Katu Kiro has been interpreting, and also some of the things have been said here in English. But for purposes of managing time, we have so many students here who had prepared, and indeed they have been performing skits. First of all, I want to applaud the head teachers of those schools. It was short notice, but how could you have come up with such good work? Thank you so much. In another way, I want to also very sincerely thank you for coming in big numbers at short notice. But today, I will not be elaborating a lot because my bosses are here and they are the ones going to speak. I would like at this time to invite the Deputy Katokiro to come and make some remarks, and then invite the Prime Minister to say something. Baba, nga Deputy Katokiro ida, waliwo categories of teachers abali wano munange owegundi idanga wano obogere mangu tulikwenda okulicognizinga effort je mutayire mu kintu kino ne muba wano era tulikwebaza ino bye mukoze okuba nti you are answering to the call of His Majesty. I want to also thank my team of Chabazinga initiatives. You can stand up for recognition wherever you are, and everyone here who has worked very hard for the day to be successful. I want to recognize the presence of the other UN agencies like the delegation from UNAIDS and UNFPA. Thank you so much. Kobera kubaba categories only of people who are here.
Sekolata wange Baba Chabazinga wa Busoga, Baba n'obuwombeefu bungi nkwesonsa emisomo era nakwebaza ti weebale kwenda byandegeresa. Baba weebale kutulaga itaala, weebale kutaawa example ey'amaanyi buli muntu kwanaaboneranga mu Busoga muno tukweyanza ng'abasomesa. Baba nga nandobe kujja mu protocol kubanga badyogeye kwira aye nkulage Baba abaana bo abakungaine wano olwaleero ate nga naabo abatwala ebyendegeresa. Banange abakulembeze ba district abatwala ebyendegeresa, I want to recognize the district education officers present here today. We have chief administrative officers and we have a district chairperson of Kaliro. Our DEOs kindly stand up for recognition. DEOs, Mwide. We have Kisambira area, Jinja. We have Madam Chirenda Margaret Isabirie from Mayuge. Chairperson owe Kaliro district obaire musale mukwe mumbere okusobola okumobilizinga RDC Kaliro ali wano sebo okusaba oveyo mubaire basale mukubona nti we have this function successful by district. Over 1,000 head teachers from primary, secondary, private. Iganga, the Prime Minister says, come over. Later, Iganga district head teachers. Meanwhile, they will be followed by Jinja. education. Next we shall have Mayuge. Mayuge will be followed by Namutumba. Thank you. Mayuge. Mayuge, where are we? Put a smile on Madam Margaret's face. Mayuge. Eva Mama. Mayuge. Thank you so much for the big attendance. Thank you, Mayuge. Yeah. Thank you. Namutumba. Thank you, Anagabe. Mayuge, thank you so much. Aha. Namutumba. Namutumba tusangaire. Yeah, that is Namutumba. And we are done. Thank you so much for representing. Manange, thank you so much. Thank you. Mwebale jinja site. Awesome. Thank you for the wonderful attendance.
Kulwabasomesa aba secondary ni mwami mwongeza ni Mrs. Nakaziba Monique. Kulwaba primary abasomesa aba primary Teacher Namugabo Sara from Matumu alikuida kulwabasomesa ba primary mwebale ino mwebale lero abana baba bali represent